Hi, this is Yadira from El Club de las Diosas, and today I'm going to show you some really cool freebies that Creative Fabrica has, and I have actually enjoyed using prior to have my monthly subscription. Every month they come up with free cool stuff to use. Obviously, Creative Fabrica, if you have seen my previous videos, and I'm gonna leave links below, you can do a lot of cool things. It has fonts, graphics, all kinds of really cool tools to create anything that you need to. But for today, we're going to be focusing on the freebies that they have. And there's two ways to get to it. You see where it says download resources for free, and you can click on view more and you can see what it has available. Plus you can also see on the top it says freebies, and you can either click on all freebies or you can select it according to the category that you're going to look for. I'm going to click on all freebies so you can see what the program includes. And as you can see, very first up, you can see the most popular, and you see the amount of freebies that it has: 25,720. That's a lot of freebies, a lot of really cool stuff that you can get for free and you can utilize for your projects. So in this case, I want to point out that these freebies, they do expire, so you have to pay attention to the time frame that it has and the limit that you're able to go and download these, because once they're gone, they're gone. I'm gonna go ahead and select free fonts because I am in need of really cool fonts for my books, and see the amount of fonts that are available. Currently there's 525 results of amazing free fonts, and what you can do is you can literally check and see what they have available. Sometimes I use it as inspiration for a project, or sometimes if I already have a project, I kind of have in mind exactly how it's going to look like for me, to then be able to somehow select the type of font that I'm looking for. In this case, I'm creating a summer book, so I like this font, Summer Love You font. And you can see it has very whimsical, and it's a mix of two different things. If you like it, all you gotta do is hit on download, and this one has download bonus files, which is really cool. And the bonus files are those really cool graphics that you're seeing in these pages, that you can utilize them for different things as well. So let's say you're doing a journal, you can use the font plus those graphics to create a really cool book. So it's a plus that you're able to download this, and then it gives you instructions on the compatibility for the fonts and where to use them. It gives you pretty much an idea of how the font is going to look like based on the name and how you can use it, and obviously some sort of a free guide on how to download them according to your program, which is really cool as well. So in this case, I'm gonna go ahead and download this one and download the free bonuses, because I really want to have those files for myself for free, people, which is really cool. I'm glad that I was able to do that. I'm gonna go out into the other graphics to see what else I'm gonna take advantage of. I'm gonna go into all freebies, and I gotta have my eye on this one. It says the exclusive font collection. It says includes 20 different fonts that are on script style, and it gives you kind of like a breathoscope of the different ones that you're able to download in here. That is a lot of fonts, people, for free. Again, that you can use on any kind of projects, whether you're creating a t-shirt or a book, anything that you feel like you can have it for free in here, which is amazing. Again, lots of freebies with Creative Fabrica. I'm gonna leave the link below in case you're interested in learning more, and you can subscribe to this program. Leave a comment for questions, and don't forget to subscribe into my channel.